Good morning, students. How are you? Today we are going to start the next chapter. Chapter number is 8 and chapter name is Working with Tables and Queries from page number 94. In this chapter we will cover following topics. First is editing tables in Access, making changes in datasheet view, moving through records, sorting data within a table, calculation in a data sheet, filtering in a data sheet, advanced filtering in a data sheet, searching in a data sheet, querying a database, how to set a relationship between tables, creating a query, specifying simple and multiple criteria. In the previous chapter, you learned about the basics of database, like what is database, its types, structure. You were also introduced to various activities like how to create a database, save a database, close a database, and even how to open a database using one of the most important components of Microsoft Office suite, that is Access 2016. In this chapter, you will learn about other activities that are associated with the database. Firstly, we will discuss about editing tables in Access. In the last chapter, we had discussed how to create a table in Access. Today, we will discuss how to edit that table. Access 2016 allows you to edit the tables in both the views, that is datasheet view and design view. Adding a field in datasheet view, open the table in datasheet view, right click on the drop down arrow of the field on the left of which you want to insert a field. The context menu appears. Select the insert field option. The new field named as field 1 will be inserted before the selected field. So firstly, open the table in a datasheet view and then right click on the drop down arrow here of the field on the left of which you want to insert a field. अगर आप रोल नंबर से पहले एक फील्ड को इंसर्ट करना चाहते हो तो आपको रोल नंबर फील्ड के ड्रॉप डाउन एरो पे राइट क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप फुल नेम के पहले एक कॉलम इंसर्ट करना चाहते हो, फील्ड इंसर्ट करना चाहते हो, देन यू हैव टू राइट क्लिक ऑन द ड्रॉप डाउन एरो ऑफ द full name field, and then from the context menu you have to choose insert field. Then a new field that is named as field 1 will be inserted before the selected field. Adding a field in design view, open the table in design view, place the cursor on the field above which you intend to add a new field. Select the Insert Rows option in the Tools group on the Design tab. A new blank row is inserted above the selected field. So here we are inserting a row. Firstly, open the table in a design view and then place the cursor on the field above which you intend to add a new row. आप क्लास से पहले एक न्यू रो को ऐड करना चाहते हो, आपने यहाँ पे अपना कर्सर लेके आना है एंड देन फ्रॉम द डिजाइन टैब यू हैव टू चूज इंसर्ट रोज ऑप्शन अंडर द टूल्स ग्रुप एंड देन अ न्यू रो विल बी इंसर्टेड. न्यू ब्लैंक रो विल बी इंसर्टेड अबव द सिलेक्टेड फील्ड. जो भी फील्ड आप सिलेक्ट करोगे उसके टॉप में आपका ब्लैंक जो रो है दैट विल बी इंसर्टेड. डिफाइन द नेम एंड डेटा टाइप फॉर द न्यू फील्ड. जो भी आपने न्यू फील्ड ऐड की है उसका नेम आप डिफाइन कर सकते हो प्लस इट्स डेटा टाइप. Deleting a field in datasheet view. Now how to delete a field? To delete a field, follow the given steps. Select the field by clicking on its field header and then press the delete key, or right click on the field and select the delete field option from the context menu. Access prompts a message to confirm deletion. Click yes to confirm the deletion and no to cancel the deletion. So firstly select the field by clicking on its field header and then select the delete and then press the delete key. Firstly, select the field by clicking on its field header and then press the delete key, or right click on the field and you have to choose the delete field option from this context menu. Then a message will appear that wants to confirm the deletion. If you want to delete, then click on yes. If no, then delete on press no. Next is deleting a field in design view. Open a table, select the row containing the field that you want to delete. Click on delete rows button on the design tab in the tools group. So firstly open the table in the design view and then select the row, जिस भी row को आप delete करना चाहते हो. Here city row is selected, and then again from the design tab under the tools group you have to select delete row. That particular row will be deleted. Tip: you can also delete fields in design view by right clicking on the row containing the field and selecting the delete option from the context menu. So you can also delete a field simply by right clicking on the row that contain the field. जिस भी row में आपका field है जिसको आप delete करना चाहते हो उसके ऊपर right click करके you have to choose delete rows option from the context menu. That field will be deleted in a design view. Next is making changes in datasheet view. Moving a field. Open the table in datasheet view. Select the field that you want to move by clicking on its field header. Drag it horizontally and drop it at the desired location. While dragging, you will find the dark line appearing between the fields. This indicates the position where the field will be placed. So now how to move a field? Simply open the table in a datasheet view and then simply select the field that you want to move by clicking on its field header. आपने यहाँ पे किस full name को किस row को आपने move करना है. You have to move the full name field and then select that field and then drag it to the position जिस भी position में आप उसे place करना चाहते हो. After the address, drag it here, then the field will be moved from second field to fourth number field. So when you are dragging a field, you will notice a dark line that is appearing between the field. हर एक field के पहले ना dark line appear हो जाएगी. वो किस लिए? ताकि आपको पता चल जाए आपने किस position पे आपने अपनी field को insert करना है. आप किसी गलत position पे field को insert ना करो. That is why dark line appears, so that it will indicate the user the position where the field will be placed. Freezing a field. Freezing a field in MS Access refers to making the selected field column appear at the leftmost side in a table and makes it visible at all times irrespective of the directions you scroll. So if you freeze a field in MS Access, then it will make the selected field or a selected column appear at the leftmost side. जिस भी column को आप select करोगे ना वो leftmost side पे appear हो जाएगा in the table and it will be visible all the time irrespective of the direction. किस direction में आप उसे scroll कर रहे हो वो matter नहीं करेगा. It will be visible at the leftmost side of the table. To freeze column, follow the steps given below. Open the table in datasheet view. Right click on the column heading of the field that you want to freeze and select the freeze fields option from the context menu. You will observe that the selected column is shifted to the extreme left of the table. You can unfreeze the columns by right clicking on any column heading and selecting unfreeze all fields option from the context menu. So if you want to freeze a column, then simply right click on the column heading and from the context menu choose the freeze field. Then you will notice that the selected column is shifted to the extreme left. ये देखो ये सबसे पहले आ गया आपका students name वाले column को हमने freeze किया था and it is shifted to the extreme left position. So if you want to unfreeze the field, steps are same. Right click on any column heading and choose unfreeze all fields option. Hiding a field. MS Access provides a feature using which you can temporarily hide columns. To hide field, follow the given steps. Right click on the column heading that you want to hide. Select the hide field option from the context menu. You will notice that the selected column is no more visible in the field. So Access also provide a feature using which you can hide the column. Simply right click on the column heading that you want to hide and then select the hide field option from the context menu, and that particular column will be hide in the table. House. This is hide from the table. So house field is hide from the table. Unhiding the hidden fields. The fields which you have hidden earlier can be brought back to the table. Follow the steps given below to unhide the field. Right click on any of the field headings. Select the unhide fields option from the context menu. The unhide columns dialog box appears on the screen. It shows the names of all the fields present in the table. Select the checkbox next to each field that you want to display. Click on the close button. You will observe that the selected fields have appeared in the table. Right click on any of the field heading and then select the unhide field option from the context menu. Then unhide columns dialog box will appear that contain all the fields, and then select the checkbox next to each field जिसको आप डिस्प्ले करवाना चाहते हो अपने टेबल में, एंड देन क्लिक ऑन क्लोज बटन. जो भी फील्ड आपके अनहाइड थे दैट विल बी अगेन डिस्प्ले इन द टेबल. हाउस वाले फील्ड को हमने हाइड किया था यहाँ पे, एंड नाउ हाउस फील्ड इज appear in the table. Moving through records. Sometimes while entering data in a table, you wish to move across the table, either to edit some data or delete a record. Many times you prefer to use mouse to click on the row selector button of a record or simply select a field. Whenever there are a large number of records, it becomes difficult to navigate through the table, and Access provides the navigation toolbar that appears at the bottom of a data sheet, using which it becomes convenient to move through the record. So while entering data in a table, you may wish to move across the table. Okay, alright. And many times you use mouse to click on the row selector button of a record, or you simply select a field. But if there are a large number of records, that it becomes difficult to navigate through the table. And Access provides you with the navigation toolbar that appears at the bottom of a data sheet, using which it becomes convenient to move through the records. First takes you to the first record. Second moves to the previous record. Third one type the specific record number to move to. यहाँ पे आप specific record number टाइप कर सकते हो, वहाँ पे आपका जो कर्सर है वो मूव कर जाएगा. Fourth number takes you to the next record. Fifth one moves to the last record. Sixth one go to a blank new record. Access 2013. In Access 2013, all the editing options are same as available in Access 2016. So if you are using Access 2013, then all the editing options that we had discussed is same as it is also available in Access 2016 and Access 2013 as well.